Hi there, welcome to my video on how to build your Thinkific landing page on the Empire theme. I'm going to try to be brief because I think this will take a little bit of explanation and sort of demo to sort of get through this whole concept of building a landing page. This is an update as Thinkific has made some changes to the Empire theme. So I'm just going to give a quick overview on this theme and how it works. So when you're building your landing page, you want to look for a couple things. The structure of the way this is built is that everything you see here, like from this banner to this section on the course products and the call to action, these are all sort of sections. And with each section, you can customize with the color, the text, the image, the style, the font, and the layout. And this is important because a really solid landing page needs to clearly convey to your potential customer what you're offering. So if you see here, my school is just for demo purposes called Jean School. And in my homepage, I can customize. Right now it's set to Thinkific, but if I wanted to redirect to a domain or site that's hosted on WordPress or Squarespace, I could edit it here and select the coming soon page and sort of redirect it there as well. But let's just kind of keep it simple for the purposes of this video. So let's say right now it just says welcome and I'm just using this here. Well, I can customize this by clicking into header, and in this section where logo, I can upload an image, and this is a great opportunity to showcase your brand and showcase what your school is all about. And here, this is where you can decide, and I would sort of consult with someone who understands your audience and brand to sort of help you think about the best layout, because what works for my course and my school may not work for yours. So here, you can link this page to different pages, and the idea is that if you want to already show your students immediately what's the most important, then you can do so here. I've not done that because I wanted to just sort of not overwhelm the student and potential buyer by putting all the products up here first. But if I wanted to, I could link this section to the courses that I'm selling. But I pick an image. I didn't pick one just because this is just a demo purpose. But if I want to, I can just upload an image, and I can select an image from the web. I can, if it's hosted on like Google Photos, and I can copy the link here. I can look from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, and Dropbox. So they've given me a lot of different options to sort of pull images that I can upload as well. And then style and alignment. This is where you want to think about, does this current style really work? Do you like having, all these buttons? It may be overwhelming. It may not be overwhelming. It really depends on who your audience is. So right now it's solid, but if I want, I can go transparent. And then I'll save. And then as you can see, the background the color has just become more transparent. And I would sort of explore between solid and transparent to see what works best for you. So with solid, this color is a little bit more darker. And right now, I would just keep the menu bars, like this top level menus up here, because this really helps you and helps your students and helps your potential customers who are on your site sort of see where things are. And so I'm just going to save this. And then here, the link right now is just set up here to all courses. Now, if I don't like it, I can say, I can just, change it to Jean's courses. And the most important thing is that the link will always be an option that you can customize. So the idea behind this theme is you can always make lots of changes. But if you're new to this, I would just keep the existing settings as to not confuse you. So now that this section is done, I've kind of tweaked with my header, I can go back and change the banner text. Right now it says, the heading says welcome, And I didn't really change this here, but I can just put more text as well. And this hero image, as you've seen, is this big old kind of twirl image. And that's something that you can customize. You can play with the size. Do you like it small, medium, or large? And that's just to kind of give you an overview of this section here, and that this is a really great visual reference for anyone that comes to your site. So as you see, so far I've just sort of demoed and showed you the opportunity to sort of customize the first section of the landing page with the banner and the text and the hero image. I'll continue on in another video for the rest of this so that you can sort of see the progression from section to section.